Discover 9 amazing tools you need to check out. These innovative gadgets are designed to make your everyday tasks easier, faster, and more fun. Boost your creativity, save time, and enjoy the convenience that they bring to your life. Arctic Leo. The Arctic Leo is a lightweight 3D scanner that captures detailed model in real time. With a touch screen and quick processing, it's perfect for engineering, design, and on-site project. Durable, portable, and accurate. New Ruler Go. The New Ruler Go is a digital measuring tool designed for curved and irregular surface. The digital display and memory function let you record and compare measurement effortlessly. Compact, precise, and water resistant, it's perfect for tailoring, construction, and outdoor project. Switch unit and calculate area effortlessly. Swift at WE64 Combat. The WE64 Combat is precision knife sharpening system designed for professional grade result. This system makes knife maintenance easy, helping you achieve sharp, polished edge that extend the life and performance of your cutting tools. This sharpening system offers precise angles and durable tools for professional and hobby use. Sharp, polished, and repeatable result every time. Crescent measuring wheel. The crescent measuring wheel is a walk behind tool for measuring long distance with ease. This measuring wheel makes surveying and estimating faster and more accurate, make it ideal for constructor and landscapers. Foldable, accurate, and built up for outdoor use, ideal for constructors, landscapers, and survivors. Chakan Fold Spelter. The Chakan is a manual long spelting tool with a spiral cone design measuring 12 inches long and weighing 5 pounds. Its spiral design makes spelting suffer and simple, durable, rust resistant, and perfect for tough wood spelting jobs. Coil Shot Condenser Cleaning Tool. The coil shot is pressurized sprayer designed for cleaning HVAC condenser coil with ease. This saves times and reduces system downtime while improving efficiency and extending the system lifespan. Durable, efficient, and time saving for maintenance the task. Viper Vacuum Scraper. The Viper is a handheld tool designed for surface preparation, gambling, scraping, and vacuuming in one device. This handy tool prepares surface while collecting debris, saving time and effort. Lightweight, efficient, perfect for construction work. Inner Pick Battery Torque Wrench. The Inner Pick is a cordless hydraulic torque wrench designed for high torque bolting tasks. The inner pick torque is wrench deliver up to 3000 feet of power for industrial bolts, cordless, precise, and built to handle tough job with ease, perfect for critical application. Globe marble rulers. Globe marble rulers texture rulers are perfect for adding decorative effect to the concrete surface, adding beautiful textures quickly and professionality. Durable, customizable, and ideal for construction or landscaping project.